So it's boarding time. Medyo delayed, but whatever. At least I'm here. So I've arrived in Kaohsiung, Taiwan. So medyo na-delay pero bago naman mag-7 ako nakarating. So all good. Gutom lang ako. That's why I'm so ready to go check in and mag-night market. Kasi lalo na Saturday, feel ko madami. I forgot lang kung ano yung pinakamalapit sa area namin. Area ko pala, I mean. First things first, immigration. So I just got my bag. Ang bilis lang ng whole process. Parang 10 minutes lang ata. And then, palabas na ako. So, ganito yung itsura ng airport. So medyo no muss, no fuss. As in, pagbaba mo, immigration na. And then, baggage counters. I mean, baggage carousels. Fair. So yung maganda here, similar to Taipei International, Taoyuan. Meron ding connecting MRT going to the main city. So I'm trying to figure out kung saan yun. So paglabas niyo sa done. When you're done picking your stuff up, pagkatapos sa mga customs declaration, punta kayo to the left side. And then, hiningal ako. May elevator, may way to the MRT. So medyo lakad pala siya. Okay, I'm outside. So November, hindi malamig at all. Pero hindi din siya mainit. So okay lang. Hindi ko na kailangan mag-jacket. Ganun yung feel. And just like that, ito na pala yung train station. So doon ka lalabas from the airport and then just walk straight until the MRT. So mukhang madali lang naman sundan yung mga lugar-lugar. Marami namang signs leading you to where you wanna go. Okay, so I'm using my GoTime card. Gumana naman siya when entering the station. And look, walang katao-tao. So it's just me and a couple of people. Yung location ng hostel ko, it's in an area called Sanduo Shopping District. Tapos paglabas ko pa lang ng train, dami na nagbibenta, may mga kiosk na. So, I think papapagastos ako here. As in, dikit yung station to a mall, which is very convenient. So this is where I'm staying at. It's called Fly-In Hostel. Ay, fail. Hindi mabasa. Staying at, Fly-In Hostel. Yun. So hostel siya where I'm staying in a private room. Kasi nga I'll be working. So, here. So I just got to my hostel, naka-check-in ako and everything, and I'm gonna do a super quick room tour. So we go inside. This is it. Yan na siya. So in the small room, it has everything. Siyempre may bed, one pillow, duvet, may side plug, ilaw, yan, lamp, may panghang ka ng clothes with hangers pa. And, pwede ka mag-work. O, diba? And, that's it. So, it's a shared bathroom. So, walang bathroom dito. Isang maliit na confined space lang siya. Pero at least yung paglabas ko, window naman. So, konting claustrophobia, pero di naman problema yun. So, I can always adjust. So, I'm just gonna freshen up. Hindi ko lang magpapalit akong damit, pero I'm ready to go out. I'm ready to go to a night market. Pangalan niya is Lingya Night Market. So, it's a quick walk lang going to that night market here. Para mga 10 minutes. So, ready na ako mag-night market and all. Tapos pakita ko na yung makakainin ko and everything. And then, mamaya I'll do a quick restroom tour, shower tour, if walang tao. Just like that, nakaayos na lahat ng gamit. Ayan. Naka-lay down na lahat. Ready na mag-work ko. Monday. So ito yung para mga house rules nila. So lobby is open from 7:30. Bawal visitors, bawal hot food, walang breakfast na sinaserve, Wi-Fi, bawal mag-smoke, bawal masyado maingay. Please speak not too loud after 10 p.m. So standard, ano lang naman, mga hostel stuff. And then may water dispenser, pwede ka mag-tsaa. And then I think mga single rooms ito. Ito mga to. Shower room tour. So ganyan siya. Very standard, very communal. So first impressions of Kaohsiung. Like literally 1 hour in. Ang tahimik. Or baka gabi lang kasi. I'm not used to it. Naalala ko yung time when I was in Taipei. Parang hindi naman siya ganito katahimik. Or baka yung area ko lang. I don't know. But those are my first impressions. Wala pa ako nakakausap. Except yung reception kanina. She was so nice. And mabait. And now I'm walking to the night market. So nasa Lingya Market ako now, night market. And ang daming choices. Medyo di ko lang kung ano yung pipiliin ko. Really reminds me of Penang. You guys saw that vlog. Very ganito din itsura mga stalls. Right beside the street. Bibili lang ng mga tao. Yung mga upuan sa gilid. So very laid back and chill. Parang gano'n naman talaga dapat yung night market. So I'm here sa may stall. They're selling mozzarella. Parang siyang corn dog pero mozzarella instead of bread. And then may hot dog. So mga snacks lang. So it's around 65 Taiwanese dollars. So it looks good. Thank you. Okay, thank you. Whoa. Let's try it out. So honey mustard with the mozzarella and sausage. Feel ko pang kids siya talaga. It's very good. Very fresh. Actually, ininit niya lang. So, medyo nakakapaso talaga. So, this time naman mga pot skewers. Ganyan yung mga gusto natin. And then, mga fried food naman. Chicken, I think sweet potatoes to. And it's all like 105 NTD. So let's try it out. Tinanong niya kung okay lang ako sa maanghang. Okay lang naman. And bearable naman siya. Kaya naman. Kaya lang siyang kick. Harap! Nakahanga lang. I think kailangan ng water. Tapos yung chicken talaga, kakamayin mo lang. As in, that's it.
A few moments later.
So as the night progresses, lumalamig. Napa-jacket na po ako. Puti na lang nagdala. So the feeling is para akong parang naka-aircon. Ganun yung feeling. If I were to describe it, ganun. So, hindi pa tapos ang kainan. Gusto ko tatlo yung kakainin ko. So I tried sausage, some parang snacks, and then fried tusok. And then I'm gonna try duck rice. So, nadaanan ko lang siya na stall. So, ayan parang kainan sa gilid. So later, let's see how it looks. And tastes. So yun yung itsura niya. So duck with, I think, bamboo shoots. So let's see how it tastes like. So yung sauce, parang sweet. Perfect for duck. That's good though. So pabalik na ako sa hostel. Ang dami ko lang binili. Takot magutom, takot mauhaw. And so parang fully stocked na yung room ko. Ready na mag-chill, mag-relax. And yeah, daming kinain, sobrang nabusog ako. Puro ulam. Sarap naman so far, masarap naman. Naalala ko tuloy yung famous sa Taipei, yung braised pork on rice. Parang na-try ko dito is duck. Parang ganun din siya. Naalala ko yung flavor. So, hihingal ako. I'm back at my accommodation.